So this is the build. It's a Xiaomi Pro 2 10-inch tires with a 48-volt tune on it. It's fully charged right now. Let me let you guys catch a better look. These are some Amazon lights, far lights. Nothing special. 2 flowers on it, so it looks pretty. And the full details you're gonna see on the screen. It's got a stock controller, only the battery has been upgraded. It's a 13 series 4 parallel. Was it 13 parallel 4 series? No, 14 in series. No, 13 in series 4 parallel. We are gonna do a run on perfect conditions. I'm gonna show y'all the first person view, and I'm also gonna show you the app itself. Let's do this.
Thanks for the stunt driver, AI modified footage. I do not encourage the replication of the following footage. Drive safe and take care.
Oh shit, here we go again.
Okay, we're on the main camera. Main camera, it's worse than the one I filmed before with. Let me just turn on the screen recording right here. We should be good to go. I'm gonna show y'all everything y'all need to see, basically. This view should be good enough. I'm gonna just full speed it, but we're gonna get there. Kinda inclined, like uphill, but we do just like that. So it's 12. Let me just sync up. Should be good. Let's go. I don't know what speed we reached. I'm gonna have to look at the recording itself. Take care. It took a good while to render this part, man. Bro, if you wanna support me, please do so. I'm literally running the 2020 version of Premiere Pro, bro. If you can support my channel. There is gonna be a link in the description to do so. If you like my content, you can just subscribe. If you don't like it, then get the fuck out of here. I'm putting a lot of time and effort into this shit. And this is pissing me off, dude. Oh my god. So if you want better content, just support me a little bit. Come on, bro. Don't be.